Hey guys, we're here at Pacific Northwest Garden Supply and we're here featuring a product that you can find at all of our locations. It's the box kit that allows you to go from the outdoors into the indoors. You likely have some plants outside that you don't want to lose and you want to make sure that they're able to finish their growth stage and have them finish inside. So the box tent allows you to come in and just pick up a kit that allows you to set it up at home, get your tent going so that you can control this environment and allows you to finish your plants indoors instead of having them suffer outside due to the cold weather that we're experiencing now at this time. So just to give you a rundown of what comes with your box kit, you start off with a tent which comes in 3 sizes. You have a 2x4, a 3x3, and a 5x5. The 2x4 and 3x3 both come with one LED panel. You have an exhaust fan with filter to take care of any of the stuff in the air before it exits the tent. And you also get 4 fabric pots, 4 saucers, and a timer that comes with your LED panel. The 5x5 comes with 2 LEDs and everything else I've mentioned. So that's the main difference, is to get ample coverage in your tent. So the great thing about the box kit is it's an extremely customizable and economical kit to get. It's one of the only tents on the market that definitely beats everybody's price out. And it also allows you to upgrade as you perfect your craft. So when you do your first go at it and you figure you can get a stronger light, you can. You want to replace your exhaust kit, you can. You can get more items into this tent that will make you a better grower. You can add different systems into this tent that allow you to experiment with a variety of different methods of growing. So it's a very versatile kit to get and allows you to finish your plants in a controlled climate where you know you are going to get your best yields. So stop by P&W at any of our locations, ask for your box kit, and we will set you up.